Quick Feabhas Feabhra. So hello everyone, welcome back to Feabhas Feabhra, a series in which I teach you how to improve your Irish and how to use more Irish every day, throughout the day, throughout February. Okay, so splitting our day into three parts again. The first phrase we have here, Chodail tú go maith. Chodail tú go maith. Did you sleep well? Chodail tú go maith. And you can answer yes or no. Chodail, Níor Chodail. Chodail, Níor Chodail. So yes or no. Noticing in Irish, when we give affirmative yeses or nos, we actually use the verb and we'll use the verb, whatever verb tense that is in, and shin. A nice phrase as well, Níor Chodail me néal. I didn't sleep a wink. Níor Chodail me néal. Chodail tú go maith? Oh, Níor Chodail me néal. Didn't sleep a wink. Níor Chodail me néal a bit. Didn't sleep a wink last night. Okay, in the middle of the day, Laura and late, sometimes people go out and they ask you, or you ask somebody, like, do you need anything? Do you want anything? So do you need anything from the shop? If you just want to use shop as an example. An bhfuil ein rud uait, or wet, on siopa. An bhfuil ein rud wet on siopa? Tá or néal, yes or no? Tá, whatever, when, or uam. Tá bhfuil isce wem. I need a bottle of water, or whatever it is. Okay. And if you don't, again, that tip of phrase stacking. Oh, Níl, tá go bra. No, I'm good. And you could say like gur maith agat. Thanks. Gur maith agat. Okay. The last phrase you could use sanitha at nighttime, Codladh sámh. Codladh sámh. Yeah, Codladh sámh is kind of like saying to somebody like sleep well. Sweet dreams, kind of. Codladh sámh, or sámh, and shin. Máta si bagúra níos mó gaige ólam, leannig I mar an na man ho síalta, rinigí na fi sin seo, a gina bhaga I chuirte.